How to fix Crimson Desert stuck on loading screen or infinite loading. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to provide you the most common or general troubleshooting step for you to bypass this kind of issue if you're playing Crimson Desert. Now, you're going to have to do everything from Steam first. So, of course, pull up your Steam application and ensure that you're logged in. Now, what you want to have to do is to go into the Steam icon at the upper left and then go into Settings. From Settings, all I have to do here is scroll down and choose on Downloads. From Downloads, scroll down once again and then choose on Clear Download Cache. Now, after doing this, your Crimson Desert will automatically be updated. Then all you have to do next is to go into your library and locate the game. So say, for example, this one, you just have to right click on Crimson Desert and choose on Properties. From Properties, choose on Installed Files and then execute Verify Integrity of Game Files. It could take up to 2 to 3 minutes depending on your internet speed. All you have to do is to wait for that to be completed and try to relaunch the game once again. And that's how you fix Crimson Desert, infinite loading, or stuck on the loading screen.